Hello viewers, welcome to Bondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am talking about what is earthing and what is the different type of earthing. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. What is earthing? The earthing is used to connect the electrical device to the earth. It is provided to avoid or reduce the risk of electric shock. It is a method of transmitting instantaneous electrical discharge directly to the ground through low resistance wire or power cable and avoiding the risk of electric shock due to the discharge of current. The earthing process can be done in house, factories, other machinery and electrical equipment, and there are many different type of earthing used in it. We explain it below. Use of earthing. There are the following use of earthing, such as number 1, earth protect the devices and appliances from the current short circuit. Number 2, the earthing provides an easy path for the flow of short circuit current even after the insulation has failed. Number 3, protect machinery and personnel from high voltage and lightning discharge. Number 4, it helps to detect neutral conductors and any fault in the phases. Number 5, it provides surge protection and also protection from electric shock. Number 6, earthing also helps eliminate the risk of fire or explosion during an insulation failure. Types of earthing. There are 5 main types of earthing as given below. Number 1, pipe earthing system. Number 2, plate earthing system. Number 3, rod earthing system. And number 4, earthing through the waterman earthing system. Number 5, strip or wire earthing system. In this video, we will discuss about only pipe earthing, and all other type earthing will discuss in my next video. Pipe earthing. In this system, a galvanized steel base pipe is placed vertically in the waste spot, and this is one of the most common type of earthing. Depending on the type of soil and the amount of current, the size of the pipe should be determined. The pipe dimension should be 1.5 inch in diameter and 9 feet long from normal soil. The diameter of the pipe should be greater than the normal soil pipe for rocky or dry soil, and the soil moisture also key factor of the determine the length of the pipe be placed in the earth. The galvanized steel pipe should be drilled at regular intervals and the pipe at lower end should be narrow. The galvanized steel pipe is connected to a clamp in which the earth wire is attached, and at the ground, this pipe diverts the electrical conduction. The pipe is placed in a pit of earth at a depth of not less than 3 meters, and the space inside the galvanized iron pipe is filled to the level of clamp with alternating layers of salt and charcoal. By setting up a room with bricks, the upper part of the GI pipe is left open for maintenance when needed, and water is poured into the galvanized steel pipe to maintain earth resistance within certain limits. For all domestic purpose, pipe earthing is commonly used and it is less expensive. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please share my video to your friends. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.